Assalamualaikum grade 3 students online with computers. Grade 3 students, now we are going to start chapter number 6, more about paint. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss the use brush tool for freehand drawing, use airbrush tool for spray painting, use pick color tool, use magnifier tool, use select tool. Second last is use freeform, select tool, use rotate. Grade 3 students, our first topic is brush tool. Brush tool is like a paintbrush or a marker, and you can draw and color a freehand picture by using these brushes. To use brush tool, follow the given step. First step is click home tab on the ribbon, then click brush from brushes group, and a list or a menu of different brushes appears. You can also select the thickness of brush from size. After selecting the brush, select the color of your choice from colors group and move the working area. Drag the mouse to draw the shape you want. After finishing your drawing, release the mouse button. This is the picture in paint by using brush. Cool tip: you can also increase or decrease the size of brush by using shortcut key. To increase the size, click Ctrl plus plus, and to decrease the size, Ctrl plus minus. Next topic is airbrush. Airbrush is used to spray color in your drawing. To use airbrush, follow the given step. First step is click home tab on the ribbon, then from brushes group, click airbrush. After selecting the brush, select the color from colors group. Also choose the spray size from size option and move the mouse to the working area and draw the picture. Next one is pick color tool. Pick color tool is used to copy the color of one object to another. You can also copy this color in this object or picture. To pick a color, follow the given step. First step is click home tab on the ribbon. Click pick color from tools group. Click in the image from which you want to copy the color. Click fill with color tool from tools group and click the image or object where you want to pick the color, like this. Next one is magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to see the picture in a bigger size. To use magnifier tool, follow the given step. Click home tab on the ribbon and click magnify from tools group and bring the mouse to the work area and select the part from the picture and click magnifier option. Click left mouse button on the part of drawing which you want to magnify. That portion will appear large in size. Next one is select tool. Select tool is used to select a regular or rectangular area of your drawing that you may be required to copy, cut or change in your drawing. To select the required portion of your drawing, follow the given step. Click home tab on the ribbon. Click select. When you click this button, a menu screen appears. Click rectangular selection and bring the mouse pointer to the working area. Drag and click the mouse. After dragging, release the mouse button. This is a selected part of your image and you can copy or delete this selected part of your image. Freeform selection tool. Freeform selection tool is used to select irregular shape area of your drawing that you want to copy, cut or change. To select an irregular tool, follow the given step. Click Home tab on the ribbon and click Select. When you click Select button, a drop-down list appears. Then click Freeform Selection option. Click this button and bring the mouse pointer to the working area. Click and drag the mouse in the required image to define the area to be selected. Release the mouse button, you will see an outline around your selection like this, and you can move the selected area to a new portion or at another location by dragging it, and you can also copy, cut, paste in another form. You can also delete the selected part by clicking the delete option or cut option. Rotate. Rotate tool is used to move the image in any direction. To use the rotate option, follow the given step. First step is click Home tab on the ribbon. Click Rotate from Images group. When we click Rotate option, a list of options appear. Rotate right 90, rotate left 90, rotate 180, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Select and click the option you want to use, and the image will get rotated according to your selection.